Hello, hello. Today we're going to play with the new Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow 4-in-1 Perfecting Pen. This is a new concealer that they just released. I was at Ulta just kind of perusing a little bit, and I saw this and I was like, ooh, this might be good. So I wanted to play with it. Let's jump right into the description. We'll get it on the face, start the wear test. So this is $29. The Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow 4-in-1 Perfecting Pen Concealer with hyaluronic acid. The Halo Healthy Glow 4-in-1 Perfecting Pen Concealer with hyaluronic acid from Smashbox has 24-hour wear, all-day hydration, and instant radiance for easily concealing, highlighting, contouring, and correcting. This pen concealer withstands caking, creasing, and settling into fine lines for 24 hours. Water resistant, sweat resistant, and humidity resistant. Primer infused formula hydrates over time for soft, plump skin. Leaves skin looking natural, recharged, and instantly radiant. Stacked with 97% naturally derived ingredients, including hydrating hyaluronic acid, nourishing vitamin E, green tea, and ginseng. Using the ISO 16128 standard. What the hell is that? From plant, non-petroleum mineral, and or water sources. Buildable, medium coverage, masked appearance of fatigue, delivering a natural recharge look. Lightweight, breathable formula, appropriate for all skin types, non-comedogenic, vegan, and cruelty-free. I got the shade M10W. So I think that stands for medium 10 warm. I actually tried this on in the store, so I actually got to swatch and whatnot. So I'm hoping that this is a good shade. Ooh! See, I was worried about this. I was clicking, and like, look, now this is like coming out like crazy. Look, I need a makeup wipe. I'm making a mess already. I feel like this tip is going to be very messy. Like putting it in the cap, it's just gonna get all in the cap. Like this brush is gonna be just dripping all the time. Okay, we're going to apply this to half the face. Let's just get this testing rolling. See, this is like way too much. Let's blend. Well, it seems like a little kicky. I have this one gray hair. You see it? I'm gonna pluck it. Okay, so this is the done side. It looks kind of nice on camera, but there's like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in the corner of my eye. It's like grabbing a little bit on the, like a little dry patch, which is interesting. And when I initially laid it down underneath the eye, it did seem like a little drying and a little cakey. Yeah, there's like in the inner corner, it's like collecting or like grabbing on for some reason. But otherwise, it looks pretty nice on the skin. Done. Undone. Okay, I take it back. I don't feel like it's too heavy at all. I feel like it looks nice. I kind of want to build it just a little bit more under the eyes. I thought it was going to be a way heavier formula at first, but now I'm thinking like, it's definitely like medium, veering slightly light, which is interesting. Okay, let me just try to build it up just a little bit here underneath the eye. And then on my blemishes. Okay, let's see if we just stamp, if we can build up a little bit of coverage. Okay, yeah, it does just look a little bit weird on this eye, but the other one seems okay. I don't know if I just have dry under eyes or what's happening, but on the rest of the face, it looks very nice. Now this is more matte than I thought it was gonna be, so I'm like, do I set it with the powder? Do I not set it with the powder? I have like a loose powder out, but I feel like it's just gonna make it cakey. Okay, I'm honestly gonna be running around in the car by myself today, so what I think we're gonna do, oh yeah, my eyes are all irritated now. Oh, give me a minute. Oh, do I have a pimple right here? Oh my God. I'm gonna set half the face. That way we can do a real test. I'm gonna use the Fenty powder. I'm not really sure why my eyes are all irritated. I don't know if it's a concealer or what, but that's why my eyes are red, if they're red. So okay, we're gonna powder one half of the face, and we're gonna see which side does better. So we're gonna powder this side. Okay, I feel like I like it with the powder. Yeah, I think we're gonna powder both sides because I like it with the powder. We're changing our mind. God, this is a fucking mess. Okay, I really like the way that this turned out. Here's the final look. We decided to powder everything because it looked nice. And yeah, I think it looks good so far. All right, let's jump into our day, and I'll check you back here in just a little bit to update you on what's happening. All right, we're out in the field. This has been on for a few hours. This product isn't bad, but I just feel like it looks a little bit heavy on my skin, so I don't think this is a product that I would be reaching for on a consistent basis or even again. But it's not bad. Like, it looks pretty nice under my eyes, but it just looks a little heavy. Like, it's not a heavy, it didn't seem like a heavy product. Like, maybe it did it a little bit when I swatched it, but when I put it on the face, it seemed light. Like, I had to build up the coverage underneath the eyes, but I just feel like it looks kind of heavy on my skin. So it's not bad, it's just not for me. So I would personally skip this one. Anyway, that's my review. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. I have a playlist linked down below in the description box to all my other reviews. Check those out. Hit that subscribe button because I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you want me to review. And I hope you're having a great day. Thank you again so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.